Alright, today we're going to be working on a problem that has to do with finding the volume of an object, which you acquire by rotating in a certain area around an axis. And in this case, it will be the y-axis. Now, our bounding curves are given by x is equal to 2 times the square root of y, x equals 0, and y equals 9, which you can see right here in this drawing. The formula for area, which we need to use a lot in this problem, is area is equal to pi times r squared. The first thing we need to do is figure out what r is, and it is equal to 2 times the square root of y, which gives us this line right here. So the next thing we do is plug that into our area formula, and we get area with respect to y is equal to pi times the quantity of 2 times the square root of y all squared. And that will give us the area of this shaded region. The next thing we need to do is find the volume, which we can acquire by rotating that around the y-axis. The formula for volume is the definite integral of the area with respect to y in this case. So we plug in the area to that formula, and we get the definite integral of 0 to 9 is pi times the quantity of 2 times the square root of y all squared with respect to y. And if you just square this here, you just end up with 4y, because 2 times 2 is 4, and y squared the square root of y squared is just 4. See, and you can take out your constants to the front, so you end up with 4 pi, definite integral of 0 to 9, y with respect to y. The next thing we need to do is take the integral of y, since these are just constants, we don't need to worry about those, and we end up with 1/2 y squared on the integral of 0 to 9. Well, we can take out the 1/2 yet again because it's just a constant, and we end up with 2 pi times y squared, the definite integral from 0 to 9. If we take the definite integral from 0 to 9, you end up with 81, because 9 squared is 81, minus 0, because 0 squared is 0. So you end up with 2 pi 81, and it is equal to 162 pi. This would be the object that you are creating, and the disk, a typical disk that you would see for it.